Okay students, so today in practice set 4.2 question 1, practice set 4.2 question 1, the question is construct a tangent to a circle with center P, radius 3.2 at any point M on it. Okay, so here the radius of the circle is given. Radius is given 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so with this we have to first construct a circle. Okay, first we'll construct one circle, radius 3.2. so you can take the distance of 3.2, and first step we are going to construct one circle with the given radius, and the radius is given to be 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so we have constructed a circle with the radius 3.2. This is the center, and center is given to be P. We have marked center P now. Okay, radius is 3.2. Now we have to draw tangent to this circle at any point M. So we'll take point M. Well, you can take point M anywhere on the circle. Okay, so we'll take our point M here. This is point M, right? This is point M. At this point M we have to draw the tangent. So we are going to use the radius here using the center of circle. So it means we are going to connect this point P with this point M, and you are going to extend this. Okay, so you can say you draw a ray. This is a ray PM, and then when the radius is given 3.2, so you can write here 3.2 centimeter radius is given. Radius of the circle is 3.2. Okay students, so now at this point M we have to draw tangent. At this point M we have to draw tangent. So for that we are going to draw a line perpendicular at this point M. Okay, in the previously I taught you how to draw perpendicular at a point. So at this point M we are going to draw perpendicular line. See how we go about that. Take the compass. Okay, you will keep it on this point M. See, we have to draw tangent at point M. Keep the rounder compass at point M. Okay, so you have kept it point M. Now okay, see the center is P, and before the center, just before that, okay, you are going to draw arc on the either side, left and right of M. So see now we'll draw the arc on the left side, small arc you can draw, and similarly we are going to draw on the arc on the right side. You can see that students, we have drawn the arc. Okay, this is point M, rounder. See, I repeat, we have kept the rounder on point M. Take the distance before the center, cut arcs on the either side. Okay, you can do that. And now after that, keep the compass on point on the arc, on the arc on the right side. Now this is point M. Extend towards the left side, take more distance. Okay, take more distance, and now you're going to draw the arc up and down as I taught you. Draw the arc up and down, up and down from this right side arc, and similarly on the left side of the arc you can see, draw the arc up and down. Okay, see that. See, this is how we have drawn the arc on the above the line and below the line. Okay, now the last step, we are going to draw the line. Okay, we are going to draw the line. So you can see that we are going to draw the line here. Okay, we can bring the line. So this is the line we are going to draw. Okay, this is the line, and you can see that this line is a tangent at point M. What is meaning of tangent? A line which touches the circle at one point. So you can see this line, I'll mark it's a line L. Okay, so this line touches this circle at point M. So this line L is a tangent. You can draw perpendicular sign here. Okay, and in this case we have drawn this tangent using the center, because from the center we have extended the radius. Okay, so this is the method, tangent at a point using the center. Okay, this line is a tangent to the circle. Okay, I hope you have understood this part.